We see numbers all around us. Numbers can form sequences like these. Recognizing patterns in numbers is an important skill. It can also be pretty fun, like solving a puzzle. Let's find out more about number sequences. Look at the buttons in this lift. From this set of numbers 1 to 30, we can form many number sequences such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, 22, 25, 28, 25, 22, 19, 16, 13, 10, 7, 4, 1, and many more. Knowing number sequences can be very useful. Suppose that one day you have to visit an old friend who lives on the 7th story. In the lift, you notice that some of the button labels can't be read. Can you guess which button will bring you to the 7th story? It's this one. Did you get it right? So what exactly is a number sequence? A sequence is a list of numbers arranged in order. We can see that the numbers are arranged from smallest to biggest in ascending order. The numbers in a sequence can also be arranged from biggest to smallest in descending order. So these numbers 40, 36, 32, 28, 24, and so on is also a number sequence. We can see that the numbers are arranged in descending order. The numbers in each number sequence follow a pattern. Can you tell what is the pattern for each number sequence? Let's take a closer look at the first number sequence. Each number in a number sequence is known as a term. We identify each term by its position in the number sequence. The number 2 is known as the first term. The number 4 is the second term. 6 is the third term. 8 is the fourth term. 10 is the fifth term, and so on. We can also write the term number in a more convenient way. We can denote the first term like this, and the second term, and so on. Observe that the numbers in this sequence are increasing in value. What is the pattern for this number sequence? Let's start by looking at the relationship between the first two terms, 2 and 4. What must we add to 2 to get 4? We add 2 to 2 to get 4. How about the next term? What must we add to 4 to get 6? We add 2 to 4 to get 6. How about the next few terms? We say that the pattern for this number sequence is that each term is 2 more than the term before it or previous term. To get the next term, we add 2 to each term. What are the next 2 terms after 10? That is, what is the 6th term? What is the 7th term? Let's find the 6th term first. What should we add to 10 to get the next term? That's right, to get the 6th term, we add 2 to 10, and we get the answer 12. Now we can find the 7th term. To get the 7th term, we add 2 to 12, and we get the answer 14. Let's look at the next number sequence of 40, 36, 32, 28, 24, and so on. Let's look at the terms in this sequence. The first term is 40. The second term is 36. Third term is 32, and so on. We can see that the numbers are arranged from big to small. Observe that the numbers in the sequences are decreasing. What is the pattern for this number sequence? Look at the relationship between the first two terms, 40 and 36. How can we get from 40 to get 36? We subtract 4. How about the next term? We subtract 4 to get 32. How about the next few terms? We can see that each term is 4 less than the previous term. Therefore, the pattern for this number sequence is that each term is 4 less than the previous term. To get the next term, we subtract 4 from each term. So, what are the next 2 terms after 24? To find the 6th term, we subtract 4 from 24 and we get 20. How about the 7th term? To get the 7th term, we subtract 4 from 20 and we get 16. Let's recap what we've learned in this video. We've learned when numbers in a sequence are arranged in ascending order, we can test if we can add a fixed number to each term to find the next term. When numbers in a sequence are arranged in descending order, we can test if we can subtract a fixed number to each term to find the next term.